Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows update error 0x8000ffff. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. First method, try troubleshoot. So start settings, troubleshoots, other troubleshooters. Now run on Windows update. Now guys, you have to follow suggestions which you see in this Windows update troubleshooter. So follow suggestions and close it and restart. After restart, hopefully guys, this will fix and resolve some common problem. If this method not work, so you can try second method. Close it, start and type command prompt or CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Here guys, you have to type this command line SFC /scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Now guys, this scanning will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. And once guys you successfully complete up to 100% scanning, close it and restart. And after restart guys, you can fix and resolve Windows update error 0x8000ffff. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.